The fastest longboard we've ever had.
Full pads!
He's flying! I can't keep up if I wanted to, dude.
To infinity and beyond.
All right, guys, we're very excited today to be here with Nigel.
Hello.
Emma. And
Hello.
what's your name again?
Headband.
Headband Dan.
My name is...
Whoa! Okay.
It's Emma's first day here, and nobody told her that when you're opening a box, you never sit on the right side of Aaron.
Yeah, you're on the wrong side.
Never. Injury factor is so high because it always goes like this, and then not only that, but look at this.
Seems safe.
Welcome to Braille. We're gonna open this box.
Uzi, you wanna switch spots?
He's got a fork.
This is how you open.
Axe.
Look, it's open right there.
Okay,
Oh my-
guy. So we're here today with the brand new.
How did you already get it open?
I'm a genius. Push against my foot! Stan, push against my foot! Baby, we got a baby boy!
Yeah! We got it! That was far too realistic.
They use forks in hospitals nowadays. Don't worry, I got them.
So first things first, the packaging looks great. The deal with this board is it's 6 plies of maple, 2 plies of bamboo, which makes it the most beautiful skateboard ever.
La 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 la.
Wow, that Aaron impression was spot on.
Right?
Best Star skateboard wheels. La 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 la.
Aaron, you got something in your ear.
78A, 90 millimeter. V-Star V2 39-inch electric longboard. Now the thing about this is that it's one of the more affordable boards at $589.99.
Wow.
Nah.
How fast does it go?
It goes 26 miles per hour.
Oh, I'm so excited!
You ever gone 26 miles an hour?
In a car.
Definitely not on a board. Oh wait, something's happening here. Oh! It's alive.
And I think that was backwards, because this is a back step, right?
Wait, is it going backwards?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh! Yeah.
That's right, it's working.
Take it very easily.
Oh my gosh!
Sorry.
Coming through! Aaron, there's no way I can keep up with you on these, dude. He's flying. I can't keep up if I wanted to, dude.
Usually he's like, all right, Nigel, go do it. He stepped his
He's like-
game
he's
up.
like-
Now he's like, all right, I gotta full send it.
Send it!
No! I need full pads!
Dang, that's fast. 26 miles an hour?
Aaron, take it for a rip.
With the camera?
Yeah.
You sure? That's what happened to Mario. I'll give it one rip and then I'll give you a rip.
Ready, jump! No!
This thing fast! Super fast. Literally just said it has a fork holder. Look.
Can we let the fork try to ride?
Yeah.
Whoa! Aaron, our cars! Our cars!
Where's your helmet?
Wait, how does it stop?
Push back on the remote.
Oh my god. Gabe, your turn?
You gotta turn around. Look, you're a pro. You just gotta lean into it. There you go.
The fork's better than I am. I'm gonna hit Aaron.
All right, Nigel, rip it. He gone. Aaron, this thing is far too fast to keep up with. Oh my. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Do the top speed on the phone.
All right, speed tracker. I'm gonna give this to Nigel.
Here we go.
Wait, can it? Okay.
Okay, so on Gabe's phone, there is a speed tracker. It is now in Nigel's pocket. Nigel will go as fast as he can possibly go, and we'll see how fast this board can go. Let's go. Sketch your sketch.
Are we in a safe zone right now?
Just.
Oh.
There we go. You feel like that was max speed?
Thought that there was gonna be a misunderstanding as to which way we were gonna run, and he was just gonna collide into one of us.
Truth. I'm glad it wasn't me.
Yeah, he's a fast man. 26 miles per hour is literally faster than he bombed a hill in the Castro Valley Hills. That's nuts.
25! 26! 27! Woo!
Dude.
27?
No. No.
But I just ran out of space.
So you're telling me we need to go to a wide open parking lot and it could probably hit like 28?
I just need to go on the curb more.
You gonna try it again?
Yeah, so as of right now, 27.
I'm pretty sure the fastest one that we've ever had was 24, right?
Yeah.
That's 3 miles per hour faster. If you were going against the wind and there was a train going in the other direction at 45 miles an hour, you would arrive at your grandma's house just in time for cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Chocolate chip.
25.
Stop!
What is he doing?
I don't know.
You know, I think we're safe to call it at 27.
I kind of want to give this a
You want to give it a
give this a whirl.
Give it a whirl.
Oh wait, you know what? I just realized that it has a handle, and I don't know why I didn't process it before, but that's pretty sick.
You'll never have to mall grab again.
Never.
Don't worry about it.
How does it ride though?
Really smooth. Really smooth.
I'll give it a go.
Slide.
Let's go!
Wow, Gabe, you're really giving it its all.
Oh no! Oh no!
I cannot believe he went for that high five. I thought for sure he was not gonna go for that high five, but he did. What a guy. Catch the camera. This is the problem with any electric board we get. The second people start riding it, that's all they do for the rest of the day.
Yeah, they're great.
All right, let's get some fun activities going on this
What
thing.
do we do?
I think we should skate it around, or do what Nigel's doing.
To infinity and beyond.
Whoa! Let's bring it inside. Wow! Dude, that power slide though.
I'm getting them. I'm starting to figure it out.
Into the cliffhanger.
All right.
Send it! Oh my gosh! Dude! Oh my
I just thought about just eating it so hard. You said send it.
Woo!
Reverse!
Switch!
No!
No!
Ah! No, these things are for riding, not for skate tricks.
That worked!
What?
How did that work?
First try?
Oh my god!
No way, dude! That was unbelievable.
All right, now that I know I can do that, step it up a notch.
How do you step it up from that?
Oh! I was gonna body barrel up.
Yo, let me try.
Get like a decent amount of speed and just go.
Full send, Dan. Headband, Dan. Oh yeah!
Dude, it locks in super good.
Send it! Oh!
One more, last one.
Oh my, Dan, you almost killed me. I can't believe you did that first try.
I can't believe it either.
Full send, Dan.
Peeling out,
Let's go
peeling
with
out.
the flat first.
If you ever want to ride with your friend to school, go ahead. Let's go!
Oh no, this is the worst idea. It goes and you feel good and then you start feeling going like this and then he breaks and you're already too far forward and you're done. Wow! Oh! Body!
I couldn't see.
Whoa! Oh! Yeah! Victory! That was awesome. Oh no. Who's going down the three? Who's going down the three?
No.
Yes,
No.
yes. Nigel, show him how it's done. Show him how it's done, brother. All right, Nigel, you went down the three. Down the five? You know how soft that landing was. I think you can do the five.
I know. I'll try it once and
One
see how
time?
it feels.
Okay. All right, a huge thanks to Vestar for sponsoring this video. Right now, you can get $60 off and free shipping to over 46 countries. Link in the description below. So go ahead and check it out. I must say, this is the fastest board we have ever ridden. So be safe. Definitely wear helmets, wear protective gear, and most of all, have a lot of fun out there. Vestar.com to get the board and use the promo code PRO60 to get $60 off at checkout. Let's go! Check out all the videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, and even you back there, learn to skateboard. This is your time. Let's go.
Wait, who, Troy?
What's skate jousting?